Hello everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to fill one of the new vertical planters that I got from Amazon. Now I already filled one and I have it full of strawberries. And it's been going for about a month now and I'm really pleased with the way it's turning out. So now we're going to fill another one and put lettuce and spinach in it for the winter. Okay, these came with a tray. You have to put the wheels on, and you can stack them on top of the tray if you want. Works well for inside the house or on the deck. But I find that out here in the greenhouse, it does a lot better just to smooth my soil down well and just pop it onto the ground. Now the first thing you want to do is so you got two choices here. In the greenhouse, I could either put a rod down the center of this hole, a rebar, and pound it into the ground. That way it won't tip or anything. Or I can just put this plug in through the bottom here, and that will keep the dirt from going out. And I can just put it here. When you place it, make sure you have far enough away from the edge of your greenhouse so as not to interfere with reaching around and harvesting it. Hi, little frog. I have a little friend here. So to fill this, it's very simple. Just put your dirt in, each one of them. Your soil. Make sure it's good quality soil. I like to use potting soil for stuff like this. Pack it in well, and you continue with the next one. Put your plug in. Now these come with water reserve things that keep the plants above the water, so that's nice. Just stack it on top like that and put your next, fill up the next layer with soil. And you can always take them off again once they're filled if you need to add more soil. Once it waters down and settles down. It takes about a bag of soil to do these, to fill them nicely. There's a little rim there. I fill up to that rim, and that's as far as I fill them. And you continue until you get all the layers done. And once you get them filled up, then you come back and you put some water in here, soak it down good, and then plant your seeds. When you go to water them, all you have to do is water the top two layers because they have hose in the bottom that once they get enough water, they leak the hose down into the next. This one will leak down into here. This one I'm putting will leak into this one. So you just don't have to water each individual layer. It has a trickle-down effect, which works nicely. I say it comes with these little tools that you can garden with if you want, or you can give them to your kids to help you garden. I know my mom used to use those type of in craft projects. They look really nice on little wreaths and stuff that you have flowers, and yeah, you can use them for a lot of different things besides gardening. Now, if I was having these outside on a patio deck or something, I would probably try to protect them because I could see where they could topple if they got dry, maybe didn't water them. But in here, they seem to be doing really well. There's 4 planting areas per level, and there's 7 levels to this. So I got quite a planting area in a small vertical space. So if you want to conserve your space, this works really, really well. Okay, once you get it filled, just simply gently water the top. You'll see it, it drips down into the layer below. And it continues dripping down until they all get watered. Kind of like a little water fountain. And then it drains right out the bottom when it's done. So once you get it watered, now it's time to plant. Now I'm going to plant spinach and lettuce in here. I remember what I said about maybe having to fill in if once you watered it down. Need some on this bottom one yet. Okay. Now, I'm going to plant lettuce and spinach. And it's very simple to do. I don't like gloves to plant. I'm going to use up my old lettuce first. I'm going to use black-seeded Simpson on the bottom, and just get your seeds and sprinkle them in there. That's all there is to it. And then once I get the seeds all done, I will water it again. And that's all is to planting the planter. Very simple. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you've learned something. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.